Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit GTR 4 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. So we need to turn on the watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the crown button. Keep holding it until you see the Amazfit logo on the screen, and once you see the logo you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. After the watch turns on, you may see the list of languages on the screen, and once you see it, you can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen, and now we can find the language you would like to use on your watch, and once you find it, tap on it to select it. I'm gonna select English, but you can select whatever language you like. And after you select the language, you will need to download and install the Zepp application on your Android phone. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, you can open the Google Play Store, tap on search and type in Zepp. Then tap on the search and you should see this application, Zepp, formerly Amazfit. Tap on the install button to download and install the application. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. After you open the application, you will need to log in into a Zepp account. If you don't have an account, you can tap on sign up or use the third-party account like Facebook, Google or XIAOMI. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address and password. And once you're done entering the password and email, you can tap on sign in to log in. After you log in, you will see the home page. Now you can tap on the profile icon to open the profile page, and here you should see the list of my devices, and on it you should see the add device button. Tap on it. Tap on the watch category, tap on Got It, and allow the permission. Tap on Got It, and allow the permission. And once you allow the permissions, it will open the camera app. Now you can tap on the check mark on your watch and scan the QR code with your phone. So basically point the phone's camera on the watch. And once you scan it, it will start connecting the devices. Tap on pair and connect, tap on pair, tap on the check mark to confirm, and here we can synchronize data from our account. So basically, as you can see, we can synchronize device settings and PAI data if you want to. I want to set up this watch as new, so I'm gonna tap on set as new device, but you can also sync the data if you want. Now tap on done. And here we have a tutorial how to use the watch, and you can go through it by swiping left on the screen. I'm just gonna tap on done button to skip it. And after you're done with the tutorial, you should see the device page for your Amazfit GTR 4. And this means that the devices are paired together. Now we can close the app. Come on. Oh, right. There's no gestures, buttons. Okay. And once you close the app, that's about all. That's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.